So let's make Mongolian beef. So I have all my ingredients here. I have steak, I do have brown sugar, I have red crushed garlic, red crushed peppers. I also have some scallions, some garlic, some ginger. I want it to look as thin as this. And after I cut my steak up in thin slices, I'm going to add all my seasonings. Onion powder. Kinder's buttery and steak seasoning. This seasoning right here, y'all, I can put it on everything. It's that delicious. One of my seasonings to go to as well. Then you want to mix it all up. Once I mix it up, then I'm going to put it in the refrigerator for about 30 to 45 minutes to a couple of hours. It's up to you, but this is what I'm going to do because girlfriend is trying to eat like right now. Now while my steak is in the oven, while my steak is in the refrigerator, I'm going to cut up the scallions, the garlic, and also the ginger. This is going to be for my sauce. So I'm going to have to cut this up. My scallions is going to be just to top it off. I love me some scallions. Now I'm going to chop up my garlic. And now I'm going to chop up my ginger. Smells so good. Now I'm going to make my flour to cook my steak in. And I'm going to use a cup of cornstarch. I'm going to season my flour just a little bit. Onion powder and adobo. Give that a little toss. Now let's fry up these steak babies. My Mongolian beef, I want my beef strips to be like a little crispy, somewhat like this. This is how I like mine. You can cook yours to whatever liking. And now I'm going to prepare my sauce. Tablespoon of butter. Some olive oil. Now I'm gonna add in my ginger and my garlic. You don't want to cook it until it's burned. You just want to cook it enough just to get some flavor in the oils. Now I'm going to add a cup of soy sauce. This is 90%, not 90%. This is low sodium. Got 2 tablespoons of brown sugar. Then I got a little tablespoon of crushed red peppers. Good. And now I'm going to add my steak strips in here. And now I'm going to add in my broccoli. So I have my rice that was already prepared. I'm not a big fan of rice, so I don't put a lot on my plate. And now for the Mongolian beef. I'm gonna top it off with a few scallions.